back with another video. What is up, guys? I just left the gym, feeling fantastic as always. Today, let's talk on the topic, the importance of mentors, right? Why is it important to have a mentor? You need a mentor because if you want to try to get somewhere in life, you want someone that's already done it so you can learn from them, learn from their mistakes and their failures so you don't repeat them, right? Tony Robbins says, why would you go reinvent the wheel if the wheel's already been there? Like, if you're trying to break through a wall, but there's a door on the right, why don't you just go through the door, right? It'd be stupid to try to claw through the wall when you're wasting all that time. But a mentor can be really helpful. I've been lucky in my life to have a lot of mentors. Not a physical person, but books are a great way to find mentors. So are videos, audio programs. I've invested a lot in my mind. Thousands and thousands of dollars, right? Because this guy right here, guys, this is the tool that you use to go to war with. This is the arsenal that you need in your back pocket. This mindset, the mentality of what you do in life, it means everything. It's more important than how you look, your money, your wealth, your friends, your family. This is the guy that needs to be solid, right? Every day I go in the gym. See, I love making these videos after I leave the gym because I'm fucking on fire. It puts that confidence, it instills that mindset. Hey, you know what? I'm unshakable. I'm fucking unstoppable. Whatever comes my way, I'll find a problem, right? You're in that state. You're in that flow state, the champion's flow state, when everything is possible. Just the spelling of impossible doesn't mean it's possible, meaning it's spelled impossible. Like I said, guys, my main mentors in my life are Tony Robbins, obviously. I love Tony Robbins. This guy has an unbelievable mindset, and he's always talking about how to create an extraordinary life. And I love that, the way he approaches life. He talks about, the science of achievement and the art of fulfillment. We'll get back on that later. And he always says, no matter what happens in your life, it's your decision, it's your right to live in a beautiful state every day, no matter what. Meaning, whatever happens to your life, you're responsible for your own decisions. You're responsible for how you choose to react to the situation. So just remember that, you're always responsible. My other mentors, Greg Plitt, this guy has done so much for me. This guy helped me cultivate that champion's mindset, helped me to believe in myself. When I was down and out, when I was suicidal, when I was struggling with my eating disorder, this guy helped push me through it. Another one of my mentors is Brian Tracy. Brian Tracy, Les Brown, Zig Ziglar, all these guys have, done what I want to do. I want to be like that one day. Also, guys, these mentors, how do I say this? The importance of having a mentor is so strong because if you guys ever read that book by Joseph Campbell, he talks about the hero's journey, right? Every man in society today, man or woman, needs to go on the hero's journey. We'll dive on the topic of that later, but a hero's journey is about a man becoming a hero. On his way to heroship, every man that's on his way to heroship, he makes a mentor, right? Like, if you guys ever watch Star Wars, George Lucas was very, very inspired by Joseph Campbell's work. George Lucas made Star Wars, and you guys know in Star Wars, Luke Skywalker meets his mentor, right? Obi-Wan Kenobi, and he later meets Yoda too. But it's just like every great story, guys, you have to have a mentor who will help you, guide you along the way. And Obi-Wan Kenobi teaches Luke Skywalker how to use the Force, how to get in touch with his inner self, how to trust in himself, how to believe in his heart. And that's what I truly believe, guys. You guys all need mentors. I forgot another few of my mentors, Elliot Halls. This guy is so inspirational, and I look at him. Everyone looks at him as a strength camp trainer, right? But I look at him so much more than that. He's more like a philosopher. His wisdom is so deep. Every time I listen to his preachings, what I call it, because I call him Preacher Elliot. He's so wise. He has so much wisdom in his mind. He's like a really old in his years. He's like 1,000 years old, but he's only I think he's like 30 or 40 years old. But he is so inspirational. My goal in life is to meet him one day. And so I've been lucky to bless with so many mentors. Like I said, you guys don't really need a mentor in real life. Meaning, if you just go read books, invest in your mind. Like I said, any investment you make in your mind, you're like, oh man, fuck, I gotta buy this program for $300-400. Think about it as an investment, guys. It's a down payment for where you're gonna become one day. Like I said, like Tony Robbins says, life isn't about what you get, it's about who you become. And the person you become can make you so happy or not so happy, right? So, sorry, getting off topic, guys. But the main topic today, go find a mentor. Mentors who have done it, who have achieved what you want in your life. Once you find that mentor, learn from them. Learn from their failures, their mistakes, so you don't repeat them. Alright? Please like, comment, subscribe to my videos if you enjoyed it. Deuce. I'm out, guys.